Can we download Adobe Illustrator for free on PC? Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just jump right into the video. So for that you can head over to your preferred browser, and once you are there you can go ahead and search for Adobe Illustrator and you will be finding this. Go ahead and click on the first of the Adobe. Click on it. After clicking on it you will be finding this page. So if you want it for free, you don't have option. You need to go ahead and buy it. But instead, you can use the free trial option if you really want it for free, which will give you the similar experience. But in order to do that, you need to go ahead and buy it first. And once you are done, you can go ahead and, cancel your purchase. And that way, you can also experience and you will be getting no fee. So you can just go ahead and select the plans, which is cancel anytime and no fee. You can go ahead and do that. And then once you do it, you will be getting it. So that is it for now. You can follow this method if you really want Adobe Illustrator for free. Otherwise, you need to go ahead and purchase it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.